Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would just do a process video of embellishing these rosettes. This is not something I normally do. I like to just include like plain ones for other people to embellish, but I am doing a rosette swap, so I have to make 5 embellished rosettes and then I can gift some like plain ones. So I thought we would just make this a process video. So I created my 5 rosettes using the Bloom collection here. This one was a printed paper. Everything else was in the collection like from the paper pad. These hearts I just used gold cardstock to do, and if you guys see these up close, like the gold around these, let me show you guys. So if you guys see these up close, this gold here, this gold outside, and the gold in the middle here, I actually put some washi tape down on my paper first, and it's just like this glittery kind of washi. I put that down first, and then I cut them out with the rosette die by Tim Holtz. I could have it linked down below as well if you guys want the rosette die, but that's how I have 2 different shapes also. And I think it just turned out really cute with that like gold effect. So we are going to embellish these today. If you guys could tell, my craft space is a mess. I zoomed out for a little bit to show you guys. I have my foam here. I have some print and cut ephemera here because I just opened this and there's like big chunks of ephemera in here. So we'll try to use some, but I don't know if we'll be able to use all, obviously, and we probably won't. We're only making 5 rosettes, but so that's why I also have some printed. I also have these stickers here from the Bloom collection. These are ones I have not yet finished. They're just like puffy, glossy stickers. I got gold thread, and I got some eyelash trim. I got like a little piece here, but I do have a bigger roll in case I need to use it. So yeah, I also have some trims around me and stuff, but first we're gonna just, you know, try to see what fits best for the ephemera itself, and then we'll organize it, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, now that you guys are zoomed back in here, I'm just kind of gonna go through my ephemera and see kind of what I might be able to use. Maybe this one. And then right now I'm just gonna organize it. Like some pieces are too big, so I'm just going through this. I feel like that's a little too big. There's like so many big pieces in here. This one I don't really like with anything. But yeah, I'm just going through this and we're gonna arrange. Like this is so big, but like I want to be able to use it somehow. That looks good, but maybe we'll do this one. I don't know, I'm kind of liking it like this. I think the next thing we need to do is start layering. But now we need to include like some trims and things. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with like one of these and we're going to embellish it. Maybe this lace. Like if I put this on the side, I think that would look good actually. I don't really know what I'm doing either. I'm just kind of going with it. Just doing this with you guys. Like I said, I don't really embellish rosettes, but trying to add some interest to them. I like things in, I guess, different directions when they go on rosettes, and that looks cute. Do you think I need it on the other side now too? I think my obsession with eyelash trim is coming back, guys. I feel like I haven't used it in so long, and My obsession is back. I think it's because of the Dollar Tree ones that came out. Oh, that's a little too much. It's a little too long. Maybe if we have some going down, some up, that's better. So I'm gonna get some jemmies now, or actually I'm gonna get some Nouveau drops because I like to use Nouveau drops on things and projects like this. So let's see, I got this coral color and this minty color, and we're just gonna add them into places. So here I'll add in like a big drop on the tag and then a smaller one. Okay, and then I'll add in a teeny one here on the love you. That looks good. I'll take the next one. Here I'll add like a medium-sized one on the So Sweet. Or actually, I guess it's small. Then I'm gonna add in a couple of here. Actually, this one might want some. Is this like mint or blue? Hold on, I think this one might go better on here, so let's try it on here first. No, this one should get some pink. Oh my god, I don't know guys. I think I want the coral on here though. This coral color is really pretty. What is this called? This one is called, this one is Bubblegum Blush, in case you guys want to order it. I got them from scrapbook.com. Alright, so there's that one. That looks cute. Let's add another little drop on this side. Maybe we'll add some, I don't know, like I really want to add this one, but I feel like it's going to be too much. And those just need to dry. They don't take long to dry, but it's not like 2 seconds either. Nope, this one should get some coral. Maybe we'll do this one on here. Oh my god, why does this one keep splatting out? Okay, so this one's gonna get some drops on the beautiful on opposite corners, just like that. And then it'll get some of the coral ones too. Okay, just 3 drops like that. And then this one will get a couple of drops also on the heart. So here's one of the embellishments here. We have that tag in the back, we got the tulle and stuff, the flowers. I added the little Nouveau drops, they're just drying, but I really like how this one turned out. And this one would have looked cute again without this tag, but I still think it looks really pretty just the way it is. So there's that one. This next one is my least favorite, and this is what it looks like. You have the swan. There's just a lot going on in here. So you have the rosette that has the gold outline. You got the butterfly tag in the back. You got the leaf. You got this ticket thing. You got thread, the swan. You got tulle. You got the beautiful. Then you have some turquoise and peach kind of Nouveau drops. I'm not sure the turquoise goes anymore, but it's on there, so it's, I guess, gonna stay the way it is. Or actually I could probably add some gold, but then I think it's gonna be like too gold if I add some gemmies. Oh, you know what, we gotta do it. We're gonna do it. Oh my goodness. Take this off. Alright, we're gonna add some gemmies to that in a second. Don't mind the Nouveau drops on my hand. Here's another one that we did. This one has that lace in the background. I really like how that turned out. We have that ticket. We got 2 hearts and it says love you always with 2 pink or 2 peach Nouveau drops on here. Then we have this other one here. Another little rosette. This one has a little mason jar with some eyelash trim behind that. You got the sentiment that says with all my heart with some thread behind that one. Nouveau drops, and then the little butterfly. Really cute, guys. And then the last one, I think this one's my favorite. This one has like a mint colored kind of background with some words. I don't know, just some paper from the Bloom collection. You have this little tag that says XO with some lace behind it. You got the butterfly, you have this little flag thing and the sentiment that says so sweet with some eyelash trim behind it, and then some little peach Nouveau drops. This one's just very like feminine and lacy and girly, and I really like it. So let's just go back and fix this last one, guys. I don't really know what to add to it. Maybe some gemmies. So I have some gemmies on my lap right here, which you guys can't see, but they're here. I don't really have like small gold sparkly gemmies. I was thinking something sparkly. Maybe something just pink. No, I don't like those. Okay, I have this little peach thing. Oh my god, that was so close. I could put that peach one there, and then I could do another one on the other side. Wait, maybe this one should go on this side. It's a little bigger. I think this one's a little smaller. Hey, that actually looks kind of good, and I actually think they're the same size, so we are gonna go with it because that looks better than what I had before. So let's put some hot glue, and they hang off the edge a little bit, but it's looking better than definitely what we had before. And then one right here. Is that cute, guys? Is that better? I think so. I definitely still think it's a little funky, but it's staying because it's better than that turquoise Nouveau drop we had on there at first. So Alright guys, that is it for my video. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this process video of me layering these embellishments, and I'll be happy to do some more like that whereas I'm like layering different things. So please let me know, even if it's memory dex cards or whatever. Let me know if you guys would like to see more of these, and that's it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!